The little kid was like, what the fuck was that? It was so cute. She was like, whoa. Excuse me? He's doing what on two wheels now? Jesus, I'm like practically into the lane before I can even see because of all the cars parked there. Alright, how's it going, everybody? I'm gonna try that one more time. How's it going, everybody? We are here in Jim Thorpe, just about to head home. It's got about a 40-minute ride, and I don't know if this is gonna be an episode. I don't know if this is gonna make it, but we'll see, because I have nothing in particular in mind. We're just headed home. But you never know, in 40 minutes a lot can happen, so we'll keep the cameras rolling, and we'll see what happens. If anything is fun, then you'll be watching this right now. Well, I guess you know that something fun has happened because you are watching this right now, right? Makes sense. All right. Hell yeah. Woo! Yeah. Fucking LGBTQ house. Get up! My peeps. I don't think I even fit into any of the LGBTQ categories, but they're definitely my people. I get along way better with the LGBTs than it seems anybody else. Woo! Boink. Skronk. Bum 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 bum. Alrighty. Does look like we're headed back through Jim Thorpe in order to get home. So we will be getting a glimpse of that as we head out. Oh boy. Got an extremely tentative driver in front of us. The dude looks cool as fuck. It's a sick beard. Alrighty, so if you haven't seen our Jim Thorpe episode, be sure to check that out. That was our last episode. We've done a couple episodes by now. I'm really excited about getting this channel kind of off the ground. It's been a lot of fun. I mean, because I get to ride motorcycles for it. Why would that not be fun, right? Alright, like I said, don't know if this is going to be an episode, but we'll do our best. Make it interesting. Actually, no, I want to have a nice, calm, relaxing ride home. Nothing happens. Nothing at all. I hope you're not watching this. Actually, who knows? I don't want to jinx it. Yeah, so, been riding around for the day. It's been a lot of fun. Got to chill with the bike for the first time in a while. It's been in the shop for a couple of days. Gas is looking good. I just remembered something I forgot to talk about in the last video. So in the last video, there was a segment where I talked about some experiments that I was planning on doing with the bike, and I mentioned, well, I didn't get to the sound experiment yet. I didn't get to the sound experiment, but I did get to the gimbal experiment, and it sadly looks like this. So that was our gimbal footage, and yeah, kind of didn't work the way that I wanted it to. It was definitely a little bit more floppy than I was hoping, but I think that, you know, maybe the form factor of a camera will help a little bit better with aerodynamics, or maybe just a smaller camera in general. But like then I can't live stream it. I don't know. But the idea is to eventually get to the point where we have a live stream or camera production setup for a gimbal that attaches to the bike somewhere. And I think that would be a really interesting setup, because then we can do rolling shots for other vehicles. And I have some camera equipment that would allow us to wirelessly control the gimbal and the camera itself, so we can pan, tilt, zoom, and also start, stop, record, which is huge when you can't, you know, reach the camera, or if it'll upset it because you're on a gimbal. It'll, you know, offset the balance and mess up the motors, whatever. To avoid all that, you know, like we figured we could do a phone, something a little bit simpler, but it doesn't look like the phone is working. The stabilization might be there, but it does seem to sort of like flop over and not maintain itself. That also might be that older gimbal. That is a Juin M2, Crane M2 actually, and it's like the little tiny baby phone crane. Thank you for not killing me. So yeah, it might work with our bigger gimbals, which we have a newer Hohem MT2, which does both phones, does all the above: action cameras, phones, and professional cameras. So you get some really interesting stuff there. Thank you for not killing me. I had an opportunity there. I was caught lacking for a moment. Yeah, so the MT2 might work a little bit better. It's a much stronger gimbal, but then we also have a Crane 3. Crane 2 is the old boy. I had it for a long time, but it's extremely strong. It really knows how to like hold a... Oh. I think we just lost our gimbal camera. All right, well, we just lost our 360. Maybe I'll turn it over and see if I can get that connected or turned back on. I have some more batteries. All right. Okay. This battery is like, that's like 10 volts. Hold on. All right. Another camera. Pick it up. Sweet. Let's get back on the road here.